Hello and welcome to Letsee Garage. In this engine maintenance series part 12, I install water pump, crankshaft housings, both rear and front, and also something else. Enjoy! Crankshaft rear cover and new seal. I made this special tool almost like that one. Put some well seal. Mating face is flush. Clean the surface. Let it dry a few minutes. So this is my special tool and I made it from MDF wood. The position of the special tool is good, so it's pressing the oil ring. Double check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's it. Done. A Woodruff key, and this is a circlip. Loctite 572 thread sealant, 16 mil. Oh yes. And the oil gallery cover. There is oil temperature sender, oil pressure sender, oil feed to turbo. Let it dry a bit, like 5 minutes. Remove this to get better access. These are the brackets for easy installation. Really simple, just M6 threads, about 8 or 10 centimeters, 3 to 4 millimeter thick bed of permabond. Oil pickup pipe. As you can see, it's repaired. $19mm hex socket. for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. And in the next episode, Engine Maintenance 13, it's all about oil sump and cylinder head installation. See you then!